So tanawa unsa siya ka nipis. See? What's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. And today I will be unboxing a new smartphone from, of course, Galaxy A17 5G. So mao ni ang bago sa Samsung Galaxy. Let's appreciate the box. Very gamay ang box. Look. Diba? Slim. Okay. So let's unbox. So basically, the Samsung Galaxy A17 5G it is one of the most anticipated new contenders for a mid-range smartphone market. So, by the way guys, I'm in the office and this is my view. Look at my view. Okay. So, makita nimo ang where here Lex. So, this is in the 14th floor of my new office. Okay, here we go. So before tamo tanawan ning sulod the main character, so sang i-check unsa ang other. So we have the manual, ano? We have the pin here. Pin, makita ba? Here. Okay, this is the pin. Makita? This is the pin. And USB C to C cable. In fairness, no? Type C cable na gid ang mga smartphones. And we have the Samsung Quick Start Guide here. And okay, wala na sulod. So let's go to the main character. Whoa. Oh, okay, here. Here. Ano ba? Wow. Look, oh. Saka, grabe siya ka-slim. Grabe ka nice. Diba? Nice. So, pakita na mo sa inaon sa so yun sa box. Okay. Also, ato sang ablihan ang yang card slot. Card and SIM slot. Here. Gahi ba niya? Okay. Tara. So here is wow, there. Claro. So it's a 2 SIM slot, SIM 1, SIM 2, and a micro SD. Ano siya? And yung macro shot of the camera. I mean, mao niya yung camera. This is the slot. Slot niya sa iyang charging. Now, ato siyang i-turn on. Switch. Turn on there. Okay. For the Android. Okay. Wow, cute. Let's click start. Mas muna mag United States ta. Okay, start. AdSense. Okay, later na. Okay, ato mo pang click. Hanggang files na. Setup manually. Skip seta. Skip. Don't copy. July 16 ba ron? It's October 17? 16. Okay. And it's, wait ako i-check ang time. It's 4:10. 4:10. 10. Okay. Okay, next. Yep, later. Skip. Okay. Okay, accept. Blocker. Okay, agree. Should I choose light or dark? A dark person. Next. Okay, you're all set up. Let's go to home. Wow. Wait guys. Atong itarong. So guys, mao ni iyang interface. Nice. Later. Let's check out the system. System. Teka lang. Check out the system. System. Where are you? There. So let's check the specs of this Samsung Galaxy A17 5G. So yun, Galaxy 5G, then okay, data information, so it's run by Android version 15. Okay, nice. What else? I think that's all. So basically guys, moto ang sulod sa box of the Samsung Galaxy A17 5G. So I will be doing a separate video para sa review, and I will use the Samsung Galaxy A17 5G para makita na to unsa gid ang iyang features. Okay, so far this is nice. Physically, visually, this is nice, and I like that I have the blue color, and I think it is available in three different colors, or two. I will post it here if unsa gyud ang iyang available colors. Then yes, that's it, and I hope to see you in my next vlog or reels or YouTube shorts for my review of Galaxy A17. That's all. Bye.